Before CreateStudio, creating poor-looking animation video could take months or cost hundreds of dollars. Not anymore. In this demo of CreateStudio, I'll show you how easy it is to use CreateStudio to animate any media, text, and shapes in one click using animation presets. Create custom animations without extensive training or keyframes. Make motion graphics, 2D and 3D explainer, green screen, and kinetic videos. Import and animate SVG file or use the built-in vector shape library. Create any kind of video with drag and drop and export up to 4K and even with transparent background. I open CreateStudio and log in. You can start with the template or start from scratch. I'll start a project from scratch to show you how easy it is. I give the project a name, choose the resolution, and click Create Project Now. To add text, I click on the T icon. Click and edit the text. On the right sidebar, I can change the font, align the text, change color, etc. To add shapes, I click on the rectangle icon and click on the shapes I want. I can move the cursor to add elements anywhere on the timeline. Now, I can resize, change color for anything the same way as text. If I want to add gradient color, it's also easy. Go to Advanced tab to add border. Now, let me show you how easy it is to animate. Select the element. Go to the Motion tab and select your desired animation. You get a preview of the animation. You can set up one-click animation for in and out with the presets. If you need further animation, go to the timeline. Select the track for the object you want to animate. Click the plus icon to add animations. You can add multiple animations at once. You just have to move the cursor in the timeline, position the object, and let the software do the rest. You can speed up the process by adding templates. Place the cursor where you want the element to appear. I'll go quickly choose some templates that I like. I go to Studio where templates are well organized. I choose what I want, download if not downloaded yet, and add them to the canvas using drag and drop. Double-click the template to edit elements inside the template and make it unique. You can add transitions, special effects, animated object, etc. CreateStudio's unique selling point are both one-click and custom animation and easy-to-use software. But it can be used to create any kind of video such as video ads, square and social videos, YouTube content, 2D and 3D characters video, etc. You can use these animated elements, add special effects, music, and create an engaging video in minutes. Use the drag and drop motion builder to create unique videos and mix everything. To upload custom images and video, go to the Media tab and click on the plus icon. Once imported, just drag it to the canvas. I like the ease of creating masks with text and SVGs. You add the text or SVG file. You add the image or video. Then right-click on the track for the object in the timeline, select Mask With, and select the desired track. You can double-click to rename your tracks to find them easily. If you need help, you have plenty of tutorials and a friendly support team. Let me show you the video that I just created inside CreateStudio with you, and I just scratched the surface of it. Once you're happy with your video, click the Publish button. Select your format, and boom, you're done. It exports an MP4 and a WebM video format. WebM is good to export video with transparent background or for the web. MP4 is good for everything else. CreateStudio algorithm delivers a high quality but not heavy video. CreateStudio is awesome. Get your copy today at askustage.com/go/to/CreateStudio. I also add the link below the video. You have 30 days money back guarantee, by the way. The pro of CreateStudio. Simple yet powerful. You can create high quality and engaging video without prior experiences. Create pixel style 3D characters video without extensive training or expensive software. Create video in minutes. It's now easier to create multiple videos to share on social media faster. You can even resize the canvas and resize elements to publish the same video for another social network video size. Freedom to create. You are not limited by the templates. You can even edit elements on templates or start from scratch. It's a downloadable software that works both on Windows and Mac. While it needs an internet connection to download assets once, you're not consuming data while editing. Therefore, you're not limited by internet speed. Con of CreateStudio. You can import your 3D characters. You have to use 3D models given by CreateStudio. Overall, I highly recommend CreateStudio for both animation and video making. It can be used to create explainer video and animation for e-commerce, affiliate reviews, online courses, social ads, etc. Go to askustache.com/go/CreateStudio or click the link below the video to get CreateStudio today.